Hello, and welcome to Chucks and Chapstick. If it is your first time at Chucks and Chapstick, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap on that notification bell so that you never miss another Chucks and Chapstick upload. However, if you're back for more unboxing shenanigans, I'm about to give you what you want. What are we going to do today? Which box do we have today? Actually, we have two boxes. Which box are we going to start with today? Hold, please. Mix and Matchbox. Mix and Matchbox is another one of the subscription box services. It is a true subscription box because when you first sign up, if you want to go for their, I think it's called Go For It box, then if you sign up for 3 months, commit to 3 months, then it's only $5 a month. That includes shipping to you, and of course, if you don't like what you get, the return of any items that you're not going to purchase. So, today is kind of an odd one because the envelope that sends all of your information in it, it's got a lot of stuff in it today. So, you have your prepaid mailer to return any items that you don't want. Seems like there's just a flyer there talking about what the style box is. There's like information about how it works. I know how it works. I'm subscribed to it. There's like an inventory sheet that doesn't have prices on it. It's just an inventory sheet. It has a little note from your stylist. And then, of course, the pricing sheet. The scariest part of the box. First of all, look at how very pretty this is packaged. I mean, seriously. So, of course, I cannot burrito ties this one. It's so pretty. Like I said before, it looks like a pillow. So, I have one pillow for nap time and another pillow for bedtime. So, let's see what's in it. So the first thing, that I have is this off-the-shoulder top. This thing is ugly as hell. With these bell sleeves, what kind of wackadoo? I'm not going to judge, but this is not cute. But I'm going to try it on because they sent it to me. Oh, that might be cute. It's a dress. It kind of is a dusty, rusty color. It's kind of, I don't know what color that is. Terracotta. That might be a good way to explain it. On camera, it's kind of coming up a little pink, but it's kind of orangey. Oh, and then just the black tank. Time for the second pillow. So more lace and more bell sleeves. Oh, this is actually kind of cute. It's a jean jacket. It's a terracotta color again. I actually have a jean jacket similar to this. But this is actually really cute. And then a pair of Liverpool Destructed jeans. I don't really need more jeans, but we'll go ahead and try them on. So you can see the overlay here with the punch outs. I forgot what the technical term is, but it's just, it looks like a muscle shirt on me. Like, seriously, it was so tight. So I'm performing for the judges here. And then what you will see next is that the shirt is so tight, you can see my heartbeat. Doom, 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 doom. But I normally don't have problems with my arms being too big for shirts at all because my arms are fairly small. But this thing was just super tight. So just not for me. So what we have here is actually kind of a shaper tank. It has a wide scoop neck in the front, but the cool thing is that it's reversible. So when you turn it around, it has kind of a slimmer scoop neck. So it's actually two tanks in one. It was very comfortable. I thought it was a really neat concept. It's just that it was a little too too tight for me and a little thin.
All the leaves are brown and the sky is gray, and the sky is gray. California dreaming.
That's from the Mamas and the Papas, because that is what this shirt reminds me of, is the 60s psychedelic funk. In kindergarten, they said if you didn't have anything good to say, don't say anything at all. So, cricket, 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 cricket. So this is by far my favorite outfit. I actually like both of these items. The first thing is this Liverpool jacket. It is very stretchy. Love the color. Very comfortable. Love the feel. It was just super expensive, but other than that, this was a winner. And I like the way it looked with the tie dress. And that tie dress is very thin, comfortable, draped well. Yeah, you can see my fupa, but honey, that's because I got one. So it was just comfortable, though. It's going to be a great summer dress. I bought this dress. So to go ahead and wrap up this box, this last mix and match box, I'm really upset and I'm really disappointed, and I'm actually bordering on being almost like hurt. I don't know why, because I don't know these people, but I'll explain to you why it is that I feel that way. So in my original feedback, I told them I don't like frills, I don't like bell sleeves, because I really am very much opposed to them. Each time I've gotten a box, I've gotten bell sleeves and frills, and I have said to them, I do not like that. And so about a week after I left my last feedback, I got a notification that they had sent out a new box. So in my mind, I'm like, oh, they're trying to go ahead and make up for the box that they did, because I wasn't really scheduled to get a new box for almost a month, and it went out within like a week. So I get this box, and it's full of stuff that I have not asked for. I asked for skinny cut jeans with stretch. Those were 100% cotton, and they were boyfriend cuts. Almost the exact opposite of what I asked for. 2 tops with bell sleeves, one of them with lace. And believe it or not, one of those tops was a size large, which means I'm a double X. And so you sent me something that was actually not even my size in a material, a cut that I told you I don't want. So it almost feels like to me that they just sent me a bunch of crap, pay my styling fee, and that they knew that I wasn't going to continue and that was going to be my last box. So they just sent me some crap, and yeah, to get rid of me. And even though I joke and I laugh and I tease about some of these styling services, I really feel like they try. They missed the mark, but I feel like they try. This right here, that was pure hot garbage. And they know that. And I'm going to leave that in my feedback, and I'm going to be very blunt about how it is I feel, because that wasn't trying. That was them trying to get rid of me. Go ahead and get my 3rd box, take her little styling fee, and we can just part ways. Why a business would want to do that, I'm not sure, but there's no other explanation for that box than that. So I'm mad. And that's it. If you have any comments, suggestions, or you just want to say hello, you know to do it below. But otherwise, I will see you next time. Bye. Alright, so first of all, forgive me for looking like what should have been thrown out in last week's garbage, but I hadn't planned on filming today. But I did want to follow up to this mix and match box. I sent some very strongly worded feedback, and I received an email from Mix and Matchbox just recently saying, we understand your concerns, your frustrations. How about we offer you a new stylist and then waive the styling fee if you go ahead and give us one more opportunity. And so I figured, since it was risk-free to me, I'd go ahead and give them another shot. So what I thought was actually going to be my last Mix and Match box actually will not be. So I will at least get one more to see if maybe this stylist, whomever she may be, or he, or it, I don't care if it's a gorilla, an alligator, a tree branch that styles me. I just want some cute clothes. So whomever it is, maybe we'll jive a little bit more, and maybe I'll actually get some things that are real hits instead of misses. So anyway, go ahead and stay tuned to see what actually is going to be my next. and possibly final or possibly not final Mix and Match box. But anyway, take care and see you in a bit. Bye.